What's up, guys? Here's one that I haven't seen before, and it is I Believe. Okay, so it's got to be, says space, so it's got to be like a space alien type of thing. Pretty interesting. I believe it's supposed to be like an alien with teeth or something over there. Metal and plastic. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be an alien. It's different, I'm going to say that. Absolutely different. Look at that thing. It looks fast. Very sharp. Very interesting. Whew. Just everything the wind goes through. Very, very sharp looking. Very nice, guys. Not crazy about that, but hey, I didn't design it, so it does look really wild. All right, guys. I Believe, new for 2019. Thanks for watching.